I want to solve 1 squared minus 2 squared plus 3 squared minus 4 squared all the way up to 99 squared minus 100 squared. The way we're going to approach this problem is to look at two terms at a time. Notice for each of these two terms, we're given a scenario where a squared minus b squared. So if I can factor this out, this is a difference of two squares. So it's a minus b times a plus b. Starting with 1 squared minus 2 squared, I can factor it out as 1 minus 2 times 1 plus 2. And then for 3 squared minus 4, it's 3 minus 4 times 3 plus 4, all the way up to 99 squared minus 100. The next thing to notice is that the first factor in all of these is -1. So I can put out a -1 and then multiply it by the next factor. The next step, I can factor out the -1, and all that's going to be left with is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, all the way up to 99 plus 100. Now, in order to solve this, I can do a couple things. Well, first, I can use the formula n times n plus 1 over 2, where n is equal to 100. Or I can think of basically get the same formula by grouping. So we're going to group the first number with the last number, and when I add that, I get 101. Second number with the second last, that's also 101. So we'll be continuing that pattern, and we'll have 50 pairs where each pair is 101. The reason there's 50 pairs is because there are 100 total numbers. A pair is two numbers, so 100 divided by 2 is 50. So that's going to be the same thing when I plug in 100 into the formula, because 100 over 2 cancels into 50. So that's 50 times 101, which is 5,050. The last thing I need to include is the negative. So this will equal -5,050.